Okay, you got your WordPress blog, which you've been told is like the Tesla or the Mercedes of blog platforms. But how do you use it? We help people set up WordPress blogs, and it's amazing how many people have come to us and said, okay, now what? So we are holding a webinar on August 24th from 1 p.m. to 2:30 Central Time on Zoom. And it's also going to be recorded. So if you can't be there live, you can catch the replay. We're going to go through what's the difference between a page and a post. How do you use a media library? We're going to look at the Gutenberg editor to show you how to write killer posts and then how to optimize your posts using Yoast. We're going to talk about plugins and what that even means. We're going to talk about things like caching, how to think about a WordPress theme. We're going to go step by step and really explain the dashboard. And then we're going to leave ample time for questions to get your questions answered. Just so you know, WordPress, it's not necessarily intuitive. It's not super easy. So let us give you the fundamentals so that you can then go off and be the blogger and online entrepreneur you want to be. So join us August 24th from 1 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. Central Time. And again, if you can't be there live, you can watch the recording, but this will give you everything you need to know to go off confidently and create content in WordPress.